Mama say it's my fault. It's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Mama's Christmas and you know what I mean. I tell her I got these presents and they under the tree. I tell her yeah, it's fine. I'ma get my call. Goody bad bitches on my phone. Mama's Christmas and you know what I mean.
Morning guys, happy Monday. It's week number 2 of December. You see Patrick in the background. We kind of woke up early. Me and Patrick are going to central London today for a little shopping spree, gift shopping. If our family watches, we're not going to show you guys what we're buying. It is freezing cold outside. That's why I'm layered up, even a hat and everything, because guys, it is freezing here in London. I think it's even meant to snow one of these days. For once, he's downstairs. For once.
I was ready before her, guys, just so you lot know, innit?
Let's leave. So guys, we are on our way now. We haven't done a car karaoke in a long time.
Rags to riches, rags to riches, rags to riches, 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 yeah. I spin them back to the streets like back to the streets. Mama say it's my fault. It's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve.
You lot don't understand, yeah, but we're really in the car singing like to the top of our lungs.
Yeah, this not for the camera, like all the time. It's like concerts in there.
There's a proper concert in the car, I ain't gonna lie to you.
I feel like the car is so underrated. Like, it's better than the shower. Even if I'm on my own, I'll be singing here, singing with expressions and everything. Like, what I hate is when you have the song on blast and you're vibing, and then you're at a red traffic
light, and then someone's there like
and
this.
Then I need to stop my quick performance, and then you reload it when you when it's green.
Hey, hey, off the juice, codeine got me tripping. Y'all, this codeine got me tripping. Wish you was over. I've been rolling for a minute. Slide in a Lambo or slide in a Porsche.
Hey!
Check my garage, I got too many choices.
Hey! So guys, I'm out by myself. Patrick just pulled up because we noticed we haven't eaten today and I need to get us some breakfast. And one of my favorites here in London is Joe and the Juice. So that's where we're gonna go now.
Shirley came with the packs.
We got the tuna cardo, which is a tuna avocado sandwich. I got a apple, pineapple, passion fruit or something, and you have the
you know
apple.
me, I'm always getting apple, strawberry, and banana. That's my joint.
Cheers.
Tuna and avocado is going down.
Let me actually try my new smoothie. I'm not too sure on this. Try it. You always like mine more. Best facts. Okay, guys, we're gonna enjoy the food now. We out here. Crab check. Okay. Still in Selfridges and got some gifts. To be honest with you, I'm quite shocked that on a Monday, certain shops you can't even go in, like Chanel or Louis Vuitton. It's just too full. But we're gonna go upstairs now to look for some clothes.
Shirley was trying on some new stuff.
Yeah.
They said these just came in.
On Thursday.
Bro, they're looking hard, bro.
Obviously, I wouldn't wear it with these jeans.
Shirley, what you saying?
Look at the wonderful Christmas light. Mrs. Christmas is back at it again.
Mrs. Christmas, she's here. Shirley's going dummy in Zara right now, people. But this is nice though. They got it in 2 colors, but the blue one's nicer.
I like the blue one with blue jeans. Guys, I've been here for like 5 minutes and even Patrick has to carry something for me. Zara has a lot of stuff, I must say. I want to buy it all.
You better take your bags, you know. Trust me. I'm definitely not holding these.
You mean?
I'll hold one for you here.
One? Not even 2? Selfish.
I got camera duties right now.
Oh God.
Shirley. Come with the 2 stairs.
The big shopper.
Yeah, silly now.
Buying a top. Thank you. Guys, it was exhausting to go shopping, you know. And for some reason, it got to the evening and we didn't have enough time. So we'll be back within this week. Yeah, we're going to my mom-in-law now. She made food for us and my favorite soup. So we see you there. Look at that soup, guys. It's going down.
You got to see my portion and you will know why I'm stretching.
This is my portion. And this is his portion. Hey. All right, guys. Today is over. Patrick is downstairs. We just ate. Yeah, I'm chilling in my in-laws room right now. I don't want to show you guys how she looks like right now. She looks crazy. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. So guys, let me present to you our messy living room. But the painter was here today and done the second layer. It's all dried up now. It's the evening. Let me show you the before. How it looks like. And wait for the transformation in 3, 2, 1. And here we are. Yeah, obviously had to put something on from Disney. We have the Christmas tree here. I actually cannot wait to just sit here all day, all night and just watch movies. And we lifted up the tree here a little bit at the bottom so that we have space for the gifts, because finally we can now wrap gifts and put them under the tree. But that is it for the living room, guys. I hope you're loving it as much as we do. And I feel like this side is good for now. For here, we need something. And I was thinking about some paintings. I want to have some artwork over here. And I also need something for here in this corner. But you know, everything step by step. For now, this is it. And I'm loving it. Good morning, everybody. I don't know why I've been in such a good mood every morning. That might be because we're going shopping again today. I feel like since Corona has been around, I have only been shopping online. So I am kind of excited to go into the shops, look around, and obviously we're also going Christmas gift shopping, which we can't really show you because our family stays watching our vlogs.
What's goody?
We're going to Knightsbridge today, like Harrods and Harvey Nicks. We didn't really have the time on Monday. Patrick is trying to style on us today. So I'm wearing these joggers right now with my shoes, but I need like a shirt or something. I already have my cozy hat on because, you know, we want to be cozy because we're going to go out and it's freezing outside. Actually, you know what? I wanted to show you some new shoes that I got. That's why I'm in such a good mood, because I received these shoes this morning and I put them through the Check app. And it's not sponsored right now. And they finally passed. And if you've been watching my videos, you know how much I wanted these. And I've been scammed before. But the scamming days are over. If you are a real supporter of me, you know what it is. And I'm so excited. I finally have them. You can see the date and the time, 10:50 a.m. They passed, so I can finally rock these. I was also laughing when you guys pointed out on the last vlog that I'm saying colorway when it comes to makeup shades. I also have another pair of sneakers that I got this week. Here they are, guys. Look at the detailing. These are called Air Force One Pixel, in case you're looking for them. They're kind of sold out, but I'm sure they're gonna restock. Guys, I've now completed my outfit because I found this hoodie in Patrick's closet. I only have the joggers, but he has the top, so I stole it. Proof of me sitting downstairs here once again. Patrick!
One eternity later.
Let me just explain what happened. She asked me to get something, and when she asked me to get something, I went upstairs. That's when she done this
Lies!
video. Just so you lot can think I
You're
take
lying!
long.
Looks amazing.
The Christmas tree is done already. You can't get these. I want to get this bag. I like the orange, but she's very funny about gold. Comment below. Let me know which one you lot think, the white or the orange. We have a new contender. We have a new contender.
I kind of really feel the orange because it's such a statement.
I don't really like the nude, you know.
It looks too old.
It looks too old, man.
I'm so unsure on the color, hence why I haven't bought it. When I buy a bag, I'm like, I want to have this bag now. And I'm not 100% convinced.
Okay, right now we're in the Prada store.
I want to get this beanie.
Shirley trying to get the beanie.
But I need a size bigger. What you don't see is that we're actually buying Christmas presents in between, but you just don't see it.
Yeah.
But I bought the beanie because I love me some beanies. You know, for the days when the wig is not sitting right. 2 hours in, we got gifts and stuff for ourselves. I'm having a little break right now. Patrick is shopping. We've been in the men's section now for at least 2 hours. I want to go to the women's section. He's currently trying on some joggers. Show us the joggers. Jeez, I like them. Turn to the side. Patrick has had enough. These times he shopped more than me today. He shopped here now in the Italian restaurant or pizzeria in Harrods, having a little break. You saw us on Monday eating the tuna sandwich. Now we're eating the tuna pizza. We love tuna everything. He even eats tuna with Indomie, and I find this combination so you like it.
Gonna bring me up like.
This is our family. Guys, you know what's giving me anxiety? Patrick's email inbox.
The girls pre my phone. Leave my phone, fam.
He has 1,146 unread emails. Like, why? I'm gonna clean this up for you if you want
1,000.
to. Guys, we just got home, and this is all we bought this week. I don't know if I should shoot a haul, maybe like a winter haul, because I bought some winter bits. But a lot of the things that you see here are also gifts, which I'm not gonna be able to show you. We're so tired. Why is your jacket even here, babe? We have, you know, enough space downstairs when you come in to hang your jackets. Patrick is flying out of the country tomorrow for 1 day.
You're gonna miss me.
We're having a hot girl winter right here. Hey, Patrick. Wow, all we see is one airport, but the vlog is missing you.
I said it's only 24 hours.
You'll be back today.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go grocery shopping now because tomorrow is fight night. I'm with my sister-in-law right now. Let's go grocery shopping. Stop number 1 at Morrison's. I always buy my chicken wings here because they have really nice halal chicken wings and they're much easier to clean because you know you gotta clean your chicken. Guys, here are the chicken wings. I always get them. Okay, we went for 5 packs. We're going for the already cut lettuce because we ain't got no time tomorrow, yeah? Why are you so shy? Follow her on the gram. It's Roll Love Skittles. Someone that doesn't love Skittles. Okay,
I drink bubble tea now, okay?
Bubble tea. Roll Love's bubble tea. Roll Love's boba. Check if it's available, you know. I also want to make mac and cheese, so I'm going to buy my ingredients now. So we have butter, cream cheese, cheddar. Then I need some milk. Guys, who's agreeing with me? This is the best popcorn out of the bag ever. We got a few more packs because it's not only going to be me and Patrick. Guys, if you don't already cook with oyster sauce, let me put you on. Seasoning your chicken with this, it's going to bring it to a next level. There's a lot going on. Rochelle just discovered these. She said these are the best Pringles. I have never had them before, and just from looking at them, I'm not too sure if that's true. Yeah, then we have some honey, barbecue sauce, some veg for the salad. I also like buying tuna in these containers because I don't like wasting it and I feel like they're so small. Good for 1 portion of tuna. Yeah, and you don't have to drain it as well. There's not a lot of oil in them. Yeah, and then we have some macaroni. I sometimes also go for the elbow ones, but Morrison's only has these, so we're gonna go for them. I'm gonna get my lashes done now. We're gonna continue with the grocery shop later on because I noticed that the time has gone by so fast and I'm already like 3 minutes late now. You know what I noticed while recording today? I mean, you guys always compliment my skin, but I have this one annoying spot right here in the middle of my eyebrows, and I feel like it was so huge when I look back at the footage. Yeah, no one's skin is perfect. I guess. Guess who's back? Hey!
I miss my house so badly. Nice people that wanted me to give you a message.
What?
They said, I watch you guys' vlogs. And they said, say hi to Shalina for me.
Okay, whoever you guys are, shout out to the girls that approached Patrick,
nice.
Houston Station. Me and Patrick's sister, Rochelle, we are going to Costco now to do the rest of the grocery shopping. We're gonna leave Patrick here because he's so groggy, and men are actually just an accessory when you go grocery shopping, because what do they really do? Guys, we're in Costco now, getting some bits and bobs. You can get 40 bottles of water here for under £3. Don't want to break it to you guys, but if you can get a Costco card, do it. It's well worth it. You see all of that water? A bargain. Happy Saturday, guys. Today is gonna be a busy day. I have to prepare so much food. I already have so much chicken here that's been marinating overnight. We have some chicken here, and then we have even more down here. Everything from today you see in next week's episode.
Next vlog gonna be popping as well.
Next week's gonna be popping.
Popping.
This week we actually just went shopping, but now we have basically 90% of all Christmas gifts. I'm gonna end this vlog now. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on all my social media accounts, and then
See you guys in the next
video.
Yes.
Mama, it's Christmas and you know what I mean. I tell her I got these presents and they under the tree. I tell her, yeah, it's fine, I'm getting mine.